the hair is wild, sorry, but just tried to print on a silicone watch band. This right here is something that I engraved a long time ago on my original laser machine, and this is what I just printed on the UV printer. Is it blurry for you? It's not blurry for me, maybe because I'm on my phone. My phone camera is kind of terrible, but here we go. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna roll this around, and I got cracking. Look, it's like peeling up. Oh, let me just rub this right off. Okay, so Eufy Make sent us these prep pads. They're adhesion. It's an adhesion promoter. It's for glass and ceramics. I'm gonna try it on the silicone. Oh, it's like something in my hair. I'm trying this. When I opened it up, like things just came squirting out. That was really weird. Okay, I'm gonna put this on here because I didn't do any prep work with the when I first put it in my first try. Okay, so I rubbed it up. You can see it's kind of, yeah. Okay, we're going to just fan this off. This smells like alcohol. I'm not entirely sure what that is, but it smells like rubbing alcohol, like a strong rubbing alcohol smell. All right, put it back in there. Test print number 2. Test print number 2. Okay, we got same wristband. Here is the final results. Why is it looking blurry? It's not blurry in real life, but for whatever reason it's blurry here. But now let's do the bend test. We're gonna bend it. Oh, do you see that? Oh, do you see that? And we're just gonna scrape it right off. So, can it print on silicone? I would say that no, it can't. Now, I have seen that someone has been successful on printing on silicone, and I would like to know how in the world did they prep it to where it was fine for use. Because I also have been printing wax seals, and I have a silicone mat. This is like something, like it's supposed to be parchment paper. I use it for baking. I cut up one of my silicone mats for baking to put it in there. This is perfect size for my flatbed thing. Anyways, I've been making like wax seals. I've been printing it on that thing, and they peel right off. So I would say it's no. And because I'm not someone who gives up easily, okay, I rubbed it again real well with this because I did notice that the sheen on my silicone, the silicone watch band that I have, that I'm playing with right now, okay, this is like an unprepped one. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell, but there's like, it's pretty shiny. This has been a well-loved silicone watch band, okay? So when I rubbed that thing, that little whatever that wipe is, the adhesion wipe thingamajig, when I rubbed it on there, I can see that some of that shininess is going away. So I rubbed it again real well to where it wasn't shiny at all. And I'm gonna do test print number 3. All right, test print number 3 just got done. Do we have a good print? I doubt it, but let's just look to see together, okay? So test print number 3 looks blurry on camera, does not look blurry when it's not on camera. I should have chose a different form of video recording for this, but let's try it. We're gonna roll and roll. Oh, I do see it's rolling. So my thought process, okay, so here, okay, this is now my thought process. You know how when there's some metals like glass and stuff like that, they're like super smooth, nothing that the ink can like grab onto, okay? Then there's like certain metals that are uncoated that have kind of like a grittier finish. I do know that silicone watch bands, some of them, especially the ones that if you just get them straight off Amazon or something like that. I got the ink in my hair now, enjoy it. They have a very smooth texture, like no glossy finish. I wonder if you could do it for that, not the ones that have the actual gloss. Do you see how glossy that is? Maybe it'll work. I don't have anything like that here at my house to try and test it out, but what I do know is the first time I did the print, it like skated right off. The second time it did come off, but it didn't come off as easy as the first time. And then this last time definitely didn't come off as easy as the other 2 times prior to that. So maybe you could get a print on it if the silicone is not shiny. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell, probably not, but you see how like some of like up here, this is where I didn't touch that adhesion. Do you see how it's nice and glossy right there? And then down here, the gloss kind of goes away in some spots. I wonder if you just like keep trying and trying and trying and get rid of the gloss, will it work? I don't know. I'm done trying.